Hey everybody, this is Scott from Bonefish Sailing, and we're going to continue from the last video because I like to keep these things short. One quick note, I've been going through 5 years of facial reconstruction surgery that was supposed to take 2, so I'm sorry if my voice isn't always clear, but I've been having nothing but problems, and unfortunately it makes it a little difficult to talk sometimes. So anyhow, I started talking about my IT expertise in the last video, and the reason I wanted to cite that is because electrical gremlins in your boat and problems that you may run into are best solved by doing the same things I learned by being a person who solved IT problems no one else could, which is to isolate the differences. If you have something that is not working like you expect, go back to what the setup you had was. Start with what you had and start adding the changes that you have made and see where those things start causing problems. I forgot that lesson yesterday and started chasing these gremlins through the system when the gremlin was simply that I took the battery charger that is plugged into one of these 2 outlets and I never used the other one. The battery charger is hidden back here amongst this massive amount of wiring and other devices. And instead of simply doing what I should have, like I said, I started chasing gremlins. So if you run into a problem, please, please, please heed my advice and start going back to what you originally started with. Introduce one change at a time, and then from there, when you find that one change that's causing an issue, in my case, the real-time display on my Victron energy meter or monitor was going between the normal 13 point something volts and then would read 19 point something, 13, 19, 13. And it was simply due to the fact that I took the battery charger and changed the outlet that it was plugged into from the top or from the bottom to the top. Please like and subscribe, and I hope this really helps you out. Be safe out there on the water.